So I'd like to introduce Phil Lehmann from Max and Me, and Phil's here trialling the caliper water quality monitor. So Phil, would you like to tell us a little bit about your enterprises and how you've been bringing the water quality monitor into your business?
We run some livestock here. We've got about 170 Aussie white sheep, got 10 hectares of vineyard, 4 hectares of olives, and also make wine. Yeah, so this is a caliper Captis unit, which was provided by the Barossa Improved Grazing Group. This box here is the brains. It has a battery, so a 4-year battery that'll keep the machine running. This here is the aerial, so it can communicate via 4G to the mobile phone network. So it's an IoT, Internet of Things. And down here is a water quality monitor. So in there is a probe that just measures the salinity of the water. And I might add that this box, you can plug anything into it. Like, it's got a battery, but they could easily put a solar panel with a different input so it can charge itself. It's measuring the salinity, but it could measure anything you can think of. It could be operating solenoids, turning things on and off. So it's a very interesting piece of kit.
This project has been made possible through the Future Drought Fund and by the support of the SA Drought Hub. Even though it's only in its early stages, it's been really well received by our livestock producers and our big members, and very welcome as we look towards, at times, a hotter and drier future, unforeseen weather events. So far, so good, very successful.